Hello children. Today we are going to learn few GK questions. Do you know what is GK? GK is general knowledge. No one teaches us general knowledge in the school. We have to get general knowledge by reading and observing the things which happen around us, which are there around us. So let's start few GK questions. Today we will learn few of the national symbols of India. So let's start. Do you know what is national flag of India? Tiranga. Tiranga is the national flag of India. It has three colors: saffron in the top, white in the middle, and green at the bottom. And there is Ashok Chakra at the center of the Tiranga. Tiranga is our national flag. Do you know which is the national anthem of India? Jana Gana Mana. Jana Gana Mana is our national anthem. It is composed by Rabindranath Tagore, and we adopted it as our national anthem on January 24, 1950. Do you know which is the national song of India? Vande Mataram. Vande Mataram is the national song of India. It is a poem which is written in Sanskrit by Bankim Chandra Chatterjee. Do you know which is the national river of India? Ganga. Ganga is the national river of India. It is a river which rises in Himalaya and flows towards Bangladesh. Do you know which is our national fruit? Mango. Mango is our national fruit. Mango is also called as the king of fruits. There are around 100 varieties of mangoes in India, and so it is our national fruit. Do you know which is the national animal of India? Tiger. Tiger is the national animal of India. Bengal tiger is declared as national animal of India in 1973 because it represents the wildlife wealth of India. Do you know which is the national aquatic animal of India? Dolphin. Dolphin is the national aquatic animal of India. It is endangered, and hence to save dolphins, Indian government declared them as national aquatic animal. Do you know which is the national bird of India? Peacock. Peacock is the national bird of India. It is very colorful. The feathers of peacock is very colorful. Peacock represent the unity of different colors and finds the references in Indian culture. So, on 1st February 1963, peacock is declared as the national bird of India. Do you know which is the national heritage animal of India? Elephant. Elephant is declared as the national heritage animal of India in 2010. Do you know which is the national reptile of India? King cobra. King cobra is the national reptile animal of India. It is sacred animal of Indian culture. Do you know which is the national tree of India? Banyan tree. Banyan tree is the national tree of India. It roots themselves to form new trees and grow over large area. Maybe this quality made it different from other trees, and so banyan is the national tree of India. Which is the national flower of India? Lotus. Lotus is the national flower of India. Lotus is also known as the flower of goddess Lakshmi, which signifies wealth, prosperity, and fertility. Do you know which is the national currency of India? Indian rupee. Indian rupee is the national currency of India. Do you know which is the national vegetable of India? Pumpkin. Pumpkin is the national vegetable of India. Do you know which is the national calendar of India? Saka calendar. Saka calendar is known as the national calendar of India. It has 12 Hindu months: Chaitra, Vaishakh, Jeshta, Ashadh, Shravan, Bhadrapad, Ashwin, Kartik, Margashish, Paush, Magh, Falgun. These are the 12 months in Indian Saka calendar. Do you know which is the national emblem of India? The lion capital of Ashoka at Sarnath is the national emblem of India. So children, this was all about the national symbols of India. In next lesson, we will learn some another topic. Till then, bye.